Good day, everybody. Day 9, hip recovery. Got my hippie shirt on from when I had my left hip replaced. All right, pain's still the same. No movement, no pain. Exercise, pain. Walking, pain. Going upstairs and downstairs, still the worst. After sleeping and getting up after the long rest of sitting, everything's really stiff in that right hip area, all the muscles, but it loosens up. So nothing, no big changes. I'm extremely tired. Today is December 1st. Yeah, for some reason I'm super tired now. I got decent sleep last night. Still staying in the chair. Afraid to go sleep in the bed because I'm just afraid of like trying to roll over out of habit because I'm a toss and turner. When I sleep, I toss and I turn. Can't sleep on my back, so laying in bed might be a challenge. I'll give it, I'll try someday this week. I can't remember. It's just so strange because compared to last year and this year, or excuse me, last hip being replaced in 2022 when I did the left one. It's so hard to remember how everything went, how long. I know I stayed in this chair for, I don't know how long, but I know I slept down here for a while. Maybe a week, maybe 2, don't know. I do remember I had an episode where I was still on the narcotics where I was, I think, I don't know, I just know I woke up thinking somebody was coming in our room. Mind you, I had my left hip, I was sleeping on the opposite side of the bed my side of the bed where I'm on the right side, and I was hanging off the bed kicking at somebody that I thought was coming at us. I was having a nightmare, and I can't have that done now since it's the right side and you're supposed to sleep on that side. The opposite, yeah, you're supposed to, they recommend sleeping on that side of the bed, opposite side where it's easier to get your leg off. So anyway, yeah, I just remember getting up, I was kicking, and I woke up like, what in the hell? My surgery leg or hip, that side was still hanging on the bed, and I had one arm on the floor, and our bed's pretty high up there, so I don't want to risk that happening, even though if I sleep on my wife's side, it'll be on that side. I don't want it to happen again. Who knows what's going to happen, so I don't know. I'm worried about that, but I got plenty of things to keep me occupied on TV. Of course, we love cruising, so there's tons of cruise content out there, because anybody with a camera has a YouTube channel. But anywho, that's it for now. Nothing much really changed. I'm going to try to call the doctor. I did leave a message today, find out about if I'm supposed to be off these Oxycontin. What am I supposed to take? Because underneath all the restrictions, it said do not take Tylenol, and I thought I was supposed to take Tylenol, so I need somebody to call me back. So I'm down to a couple pills. I've been doing 2 a day. And of course, those don't help keeping me awake. They automatically make me drowsy. But no big changes. The walking around with the scooter, I did, because I had to take my blankets off and set them right here. I did catch the little walker on the back left leg, and it did go forward. I don't know how. I'm like almost like, what the hell now? I know why when they say pick everything up, don't have no rugs, don't have no cores, because anything can happen, and I knew it was there, but it just happened to catch just like a little piece of it. But anyway, I will check back with you guys later. Peace.